Welcome back to the channel, guys. XRP is making waves in the crypto world again, and for good reason. Over the weekend, its price spiked to a weekly high of $2.23, and now the crypto community is buzzing about a possible game-changing announcement. The Swift Global Payments Network might be partnering with Ripple. We'll talk more about that in just a moment. BTCC is a crypto exchange with some really good benefits. First off, there's no VPN or KYC necessary, and it's been around for 13 years. You get access to over 300 different cryptocurrencies, and if you're into leverage, you can go up to 500x. Plus, there's bonuses. So if you use my referral link down in the description below, you can get a 10% deposit bonus, but you can actually get bonuses all the way up to $10,055. So if you want to research this more, or if you're ready to get started, you can check out that link again down in the description below. All right, guys, so Swift, the giant that connects over 11,000 financial institutions worldwide, they might be integrating Ripple's blockchain technology. And look, if this becomes official, XRP could be heading for a serious rally. So, what's going on? According to market analyst John Squire, there's growing chatter that Swift will confirm the partnership within the next week. He claims several influential insiders have been hinting that Ripple might become a part of Swift's payment infrastructure. That would mean XRP could be used to move money across borders through one of the most widely used financial networks in the world. Squire also reminded people that this wouldn't be Ripple's first dance with Swift. Back in 2023, Ripple took part in pilot programs aimed at integrating blockchain tech into cross-border payments. So the two already have a history. And it's not a stretch to imagine that they might be moving towards something much bigger. Okay, now let's go ahead and talk about price. If the Swift Ripple partnership actually happens, the market expects XRP to rocket past $3. That would be a big deal for holders who've been waiting patiently through the ups and downs. And the current market behavior is already hinting that something's brewing. Now, from a technical analysis perspective, XRP is teasing a bullish breakout. After bouncing off a support level at $1.79, it's now challenging a key resistance trend line. If XRP breaks through and manages to form a higher low, it could officially reverse its recent downtrend and switch into full bull mode. But here's the catch. The buying momentum is still kind of weak right now. The RSI tool, which is a tool that traders use to measure how strong a move is, shows that buyers haven't jumped in full force just yet. That means if people don't start buying soon, the price could stall out before hitting those higher targets. Now still, if XRP flips the next major resistance point, known as the POC or point of control, we could see a strong move up to $2.60. From there, if the Swift partnership is confirmed, the road to $3 becomes even clearer. And let's not stop there. Some ultra-optimistic analysts are throwing around wild predictions, with numbers as high as $45. While that might sound like a long shot, they point to historical patterns where XRP has seen massive surges after partnerships and tech upgrades. And could history repeat itself? Well, maybe. All of this is creating a bit of a FOMO atmosphere. Traders and investors are starting to position themselves just in case the partnership is announced this week. After all, crypto moves fast, and the window of opportunity can be short. So to recap, XRP is riding high on rumors of a potential partnership with Swift. If it happens, it could connect Ripple's blockchain to thousands of financial institutions across the globe. That alone could supercharge demand for XRP, possibly sending its price soaring past $3 in the short term, and maybe even higher in the long run. But remember, it's all speculative until Swift makes an official announcement. Until then, XRP's fate rests on both technical factors and market hype. Still, whether you're already holding or just watching from the sidelines, it's definitely a week to keep your eyes on XRP. You guys stay tuned because this story might be far from over. I would also like to mention that it's important that we keep an eye on what's still happening with the SEC case against Ripple. That in itself might hinder or hold back XRP in some of its relationships with different companies and how it's being handled. All right, but yeah, a lot of talk going on right now for the week. Let's see what happens. XRP holding above $2. Still looking quite good. Nice seeing it go into this upper channel on the Fibonacci retracement and looking pretty good there. All right, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Again, you can find that link to BTCC down in the description below. You can also find me on Blue Sky at Crypto Atlas. And thank you so much to my Patreon supporters and my YouTube members. God bless, and we'll see you in the next episode.